Here's one for the Mopar fans, and I suppose also the late model high horsepower sports car guy and gals. 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and catch this, only 5,441 miles on the odometer at this moment. Red line red tri-coat pearl, black and sepia interior, and it does have the premium Laguna leather seats added to the options. Take a look at this front fascia. Chin spoiler and bonus. No screw holes or plates ever screwed into that front bumper. All right, still pictures. Let's get that out of the way. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, trunk, car from every angle. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, underneath the hood, 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi SRT Hellcat engine, and that is paired up with the 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. You can see it's riding on the 20 by 9.5 inch matte black forged aluminum wheels. Look at the big Brembo brakes and rotors, stopping power behind that. Beautiful matte black wheel, Pirelli radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. No doubt about that. And yes, I suppose we'll let Jason take it for a drive at the end of this video, so stick around. You want to see how it drives out. As you can see, side windows have been tinted. Know your local and state laws as far as your percentage of window tint that you can have. And a rear window also. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email on that one. You can see the paint up and down that passenger side. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. It's what you'd expect with 5,441 miles on it. I mentioned it does have the premium Laguna leather seats. It actually still has the care tag on the passenger seat, and I'll show you that when we check out this interior a little bit closer. There's also going to be a copy of the window sticker. I'll have that uploaded in with the still pictures so you can see exactly how this thing is equipped. A few of the options on it, it does have the Uconnect with GPS navigation, HD radio, Sirius XM. And all the standard features you would get on this car. Again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these high horsepower, later model cars, or like I said, maybe just a Mopar person, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you might see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done right off our showroom floor, of course, online. And you can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down that driver's side also. If you take a peek at that interior, start it up, let you hear it run. Look underneath the hood, all of that fun stuff. I do have the red key activated in my pocket, by the way. All right, there's the black and sepia door panel. Of course, your modern amenities. You have your power locks, power mirrors, power windows. This does have the Harman Kardon stereo system to it. Correct floor mats, seating surfaces, showing a very little wear, kind of what you'd expect out of a natural leather hide. The way they kind of wrinkle and form. All right. Of course, steering wheel controls, stereo system we mentioned earlier. Uconnect. Climate control, and that is dual climate control. Of course, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Come around here to the exact miles, 5,441. And yes, it sounds like a Hellcat. Dash in nice shape. I mentioned that tag still in the seat for the care of those Laguna seats. All natural leather care guide. Of course, they're ventilated, as you can see, kind of perforated leather. Some airflow through there. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 2-owner car, actual miles. Let you listen. All right, let me pause this a second. I'm gonna get this hood popped. Let's check out this engine bay. Take a peek at that 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi SRT Hellcat engine. All right, good look at the underside of that functioning hood. Also want to mention the manuals are in the glove box, and there's also some miscellaneous service receipts for like oil changes, your typical maintenance. There it is. Any stories about driving these? Anybody watching this own one, have one? Go ahead and leave us a comment down below. Always like feedback. Looks good, nice and clean and tidy. What you'd expect with this caliber of car with that low of miles on it. Nothing died on this one. 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Beautiful red line, red tri-coat pearl. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, but consult with your sales associate first when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2015 Hellcat, Dodge Challenger Hellcat. This is a 6-speed manual for the most fun. You gotta have that stick if you know how to drive it. This car sounds mean. Sounds as mean as it is. We've got the heated steering wheel activated today. Yeah, take it a little easy on the throttle because she wants to go, and it does grip well, but I broke it loose in second there just a little bit. All your modern amenities wrapped up in this 2015. We've still, luckily though, we've got real needles for the speedometer and the tach, the RPM gauge. Digital needle for the temperature is showing 190, and the fuel gauge is showing a little above half. Excellent stereo in this car. Excellent bucket seats for great driving comfort. Brakes are working amazingly well. Let's see, what do we want? Probably second gear here. And take it easy because I do not want, well, I do want to do a burnout, but I should not do a burnout. Okay, second. Third. Just you rev it up as fast as you want. It's such a fun car. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Hellcat over at uniqueclassiccars.com.